I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integration. Search for and select newsletter as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select an action. Integromat. Give here the webhook link. So please visit the Integromat dashboard. Click on plus icon and search webhook. Custom webhook. Choose a hook. Copy the link and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Test webhook. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Integromat site. Click on the plus icon and search for your desired app to send data. I am choosing Airtable. Get a record. Click on Airtable. Add. Select a base. Select a table. Map the respective fields. OK. Click on Run once. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. In this way you can send your data by using Integromat. Thanks for watching.